Well, good morning. This is Jagendra Rana. So the topic of the day is travel insurance is a must for Indians. Travel insurance is a must for Indians. So Indian tourists planning to visit Dubai are facing a sharp increase in visa rejections following the introduction of stricter application rules by the United Arab Emirates. Earlier, nearly 99% of Dubai tourist visa applications were approved. Now, however, rejection rates have risen significantly. So recently, Dubai's immigration department introduced stricter requirements for tourist visas, mandating travelers to provide hotel booking documents with QR codes and a copy of their return tickets. For travelers staying with relatives, additional proof of accommodation is required from the host. So the updated guidelines require hotel booking documents and return tickets to be uploaded on the Immigration Department's website when applying for a visa. These documents previously only required if asked by airport officials are now compulsory. Since the new rules were enforced, at least 5-6 out of every 100 applications were being rejected daily, compared to just 1 or 2% previously. So even with confirmed flight tickets and hotel stays, applications are being rejected. So the rise in visa denials for Indian travelers to Dubai highlights the importance of choosing the right travel insurance to avoid financial losses. Some travel insurance plans now offer visa rejection coverage, which reimburses non-refundable expenses like flight tickets and hotel bookings. Examples include Tata Travel Guard Plus, Titanium Plus, which automatically include visa rejection coverage for policies worth $10 lakh or more. Others like CARE and Niva Bupa offer it as an add-on, giving travelers the option to extend their coverage. If the visa gets rejected, only the visa fee is refunded. Our customers with travel insurance covering trip cancellation may be eligible for flight refund claims in situations like illness, injury, or death of the travelers or close family members. Refunds for hotel cancellations follow similar rules. Refunds are usually provided only in cases beyond the traveler's control, such as emergencies or medical issues, depending on the policy's terms and conditions. Visa rejections can result in significant financial losses. For instance, in 2023, Indians incurred an estimated rupees 109 crore, approximately yen 12.1 billion dinar. So, a non-refundable cost due to visa denials, according to the Shenzhen Statistic Portal, of the 9,66,687 applications submitted by Indians, 1,51,752 were rejected. See what is the new visa application requirements. Hotel booking confirmation with QR code, copy of confirmed return tickets, proof of accommodation for those staying with relatives. Applications must upload these documents to the Immigration Department website. Only required if requested by airport official earlier. Additional proof is mandatory financial proof is mandatory. So this is something which is compelling them for the insurance. With the increase in travel, one of the important things that travelers need to know about is travel insurance. This form of insurance helps cover a whole range of uncertainties and scenarios that can drain out a traveler's finances. Most countries require mandatory travel insurance while applying for a visa, but choosing the right travel insurance which covers all the risks of travel is important. So, travel insurance is a type of insurance that covers different risks while traveling. It covers medical expenses, lost luggage, flight cancellations, and other losses that a traveler can incur while traveling. The travel insurance is usually taken from the day of travel till the time the traveler reaches back to India. Taking travel insurance ensures a comprehensive coverage in case of any emergency in another country. So, travel insurance is also available for trips taken in the home country of the traveler, like Bharat, Brahman, and e-travel, but it's a more popular option for the travel abroad. Some of the risks covered under travel insurance are personal accident cover, which covers ensures death, permanent total disability, accident and sickness medical expenses reimbursement, dental treatment relief, emergency evacuation, repatriation of remains in case of death, baggage delay, loss of checked baggage, loss of passport, flight delay, hijack, home burglary, trip curtailment, trip cancellation, missed connection or missed departure, bounced hotel, airline booking. But there may be more risks covered under individual policies depending on the requirement of the traveler. The amounts to which these risks are covered depends on the policy and plan that the travelers opt for. The travel insurance also covers additional risks at an additional premium. Some of these risks are specific to the travelers on the place the person is traveling to. There are single trip travel insurance policies meant for one journey, but for frequent travelers who travel abroad on business purposes, there is an option to buy a multi-trip travel insurance policy. Some policies last for an entire year and cover multiple trips to a particular destination. So, opting for such policies is much more cost effective for businessmen and frequent travelers to a particular destination. We also have student policies which are especially designed for students going abroad for studies at an affordable premium. The maximum trip length can last from 30, 45 and 60 days. Another type of travel policy is a group travel insurance policy. Another type of travel policy is a group travel insurance policy. So a group policy covers 7 or more travelers. These policies are cost effective and other similar benefits as single trip travel insurance policies. Group travel insurance policies are based on the age of the travelers, which means it works out more cost effective for traveler. Most travel companies opt for group travel insurance policies when they take groups across different countries on tours. So it is easy to pick out a policy once you know the travel insurance definition. While planning your trip abroad, pick out a travel insurance policy that provides adjusted coverage with a high coverage. It is possible to check the cost of travel insurance on insurance aggregators and pick out the best policy. So there are a variety of travel insurance policies through the bank's website like student travel insurance, domestic, senior citizens, family, and even individual travel insurance. You can easily pick out a policy that suits your needs and provides the best value for money. Traveling to a foreign land is one of its kind experience, one gets to explore new cultures, cuisines, places, and much more. So, traveling gives a new perspective, adds new elements to one's personality, and helps attain meaningful lessons. But traveling abroad requires meticulous planning, right from visa to tickets, from accommodation to itinerary, etc. One crucial component while planning a foreign trip is travel insurance, which people often tend to take lightly. However, good travel insurance covers you against various exigencies that you may encounter on your trip and ensures that you enjoy a worry-free vacation. So in the next journey, when you are going, you must take an insurance policy. Because the idea of meeting any medical emergency in a foreign land is every bit scary. Getting stuck in such a situation in an unknown place not only spoils the trip but also marks a heavy dent in your pocket. This is where your travel insurance plan will come to your aid. The travel insurance covers medical expenses that you have to incur due if you fall ill. It also covers inpatient and outpatient hospitalization expenses, and medical repatriation cost is also covered. So if you have to undergo any emergency surgery or treatment, your travel insurance will cover that too. Apart from medical exigencies, the policy also covers accidents. If due to any reason your flight gets delayed beyond the minimum hours mentioned in your policy, then the policy covers you for the various expenditures that you had to undergo due to the delay. These expenses include refreshments, meals, other such necessary expenses. You will have to submit the respective invoice while filing for reimbursement. Then coverage against delay or loss of checked-in luggage is also there. Because losing your bag while you are traveling is one of the worst things that might happen. It not only hampers your travel plan but also impacts your budgets big time. The other major issue that might crop up baggage delay is baggage delay. Imagine you have landed in the new city and are all set to start exploring the new place, but to your sheer distress, your baggage has not arrived yet. So it may take anywhere between a few hours to a couple of days before you get your baggage. Your travel insurance plan will cover you against such events. The policy reimburses you for the money that you spent to buy essential things because of the delay in the arrival of the luggage. In case of loss of passport, nothing can be scarier than losing your passport in a foreign land, as it is the singular most important documents when one is overseas that leads to a few additional complications and costs. The travel insurance covers you for the expenses that you might have incurred to obtain a duplicate passport. Then trip cancellation and curtailment. If you have to cancel or cut short your trip due to any serious issues like the demise or accident of a close relative, personal health issues, or any such reasons, then the policy reimburses you for the cost of non-refundable prepaid expenses, which usually covers hotel bookings and flight tickets. Your policy will mention the list of expenses that can be reimbursed and also the situation under which you will be reimbursed in case you cancel the trip. So apart from these standard covers, some useful add-on covers like loss of personal belongings, like a laptop, mobile, document, etc. And the avenue adventure sports are also available. You must also keep in mind that it is mandatory to have travel insurance while traveling to a new country like Schengen countries. So that means A little inquiry about the travel insurance will help you a lot, and you must take travel insurance when you are going abroad. Thank you. Thank you very much.